How to prevent duplicate data entries in Excel. Duplicate entries can cause inaccurate reports, incorrect calculations, and serious data management problems. Instead of finding and removing duplicates after they've already been entered, why not stop them before they happen? In this video, we'll show you two methods, using Excel's built-in data validation feature and using Kutools for Excel's prevent duplicate feature. Method 1, using Excel data validation. Excel doesn't provide a direct prevent duplicates command, but you can create a custom data validation rule with the COUNTIF function. Select the data range where you want to prevent duplicate entries. Suppose the range is A2 to A20. Go to Data. Select Data Validation. Under Allow, select Custom. Enter the formula. This part counts how many times the value entered in the current cell appears in the entire selected range. This means the value is allowed only when it appears once. Go to the Error Alert tab. Make sure Show Error Alert after invalid data is entered is enabled. Choose Style Stop. Then enter an error message, such as Duplicate Entry Not Allowed. Click OK. Now try entering an existing ID. Excel immediately displays an error message and prevents the duplicate value from being entered. This method works well, but it requires several configuration steps. If you frequently need to prevent duplicate entries, there's a much easier solution. Method 2, using Kutools for Excel. Kutools for Excel provides a dedicated prevent duplicate feature that allows you to block duplicate entries without creating formulas or data validation rules manually. Download and install Kutools for Excel. Select the cells where you want to prevent duplicate entries. Go to Kutools. Select Prevent Typing. Prevent Duplicate. A confirmation dialog will appear, click Yes to continue. That's it, Kutools immediately applies duplicate entry protection to the selected range. Now enter a value that already exists in the selected range. Kutools displays a warning message and prevents the duplicate entry. Download Kutools for Excel today and enjoy a 30-day free trial with access to over 300 powerful Excel productivity tools.